welcome back to my YouTube channel and to a new video. I've always kept this little box on my dining table and it was just getting really messy and getting on my nerves, so Chris popped it on the wall for me and it's much neater, and here I am with the handheld part of the vacuum, just cleaning up all the dust that the drill has made. All done. There you go. Looks so much tidier, doesn't it? And I've got my table back. Okay, so the chicken drumsticks are out of the oven and I've just got them on a cooling rack. And don't they look delicious? This is our barbecue. We're actually eating it indoors because it's just so hot outside. I am so tired. Oh dear. Oh, I've been doing quite a bit today, sort of like tidying up, a bit of housework, DIY crafting, filming. We had a Barbie, a bit of alcohol. So the sun and the alcohol has wiped me out. So I've come upstairs for a lie down with, of course, she's always with me when I come for a little snoozy woos. Let's get 50 winks, shall we? So they say, wear a pair of silk or satin knickers on your head when you go to bed, and it'll help with all the breakages, the wispy bits, keeping your hair smooth. So this, God love Chris, is how I went to bed and how I've woken up. Have a look at it in a minute, shall we, when I get these pants off my head. Has it worked? Oh, I don't know. Do you know what? It actually looks a fair bit smoother, doesn't it then? I'll tell you what, it's not too bad. It's like, there's no flyaways. Maybe there's something in it. I can't be going to bed every night with pants on my head. Maybe I need a silk pillowcase. That's what they say, isn't it? Silk pillowcase. Where'd you get a silk pillowcase from? I haven't got one. Anyone? If you know where I can pick up a cheap silk pillowcase, well, obviously have to be by post. Let me know. Maybe I'll look on Amazon. But I have to say, the cuticles of my hair are very smooth. As I say, there's got to be a better way than wearing your pants on your head. So it's come to the time where I need to just repot these. So these are the little tomato plants that I grew from actual tomatoes, actually. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos, I literally sliced up one tomato, laid each slice into a little bit of compost, covered it over, and yeah, I've got all these tomato plants now. So I have already repotted them. I pricked them out and put them in these individual pots, but now they need to go into a bigger pot.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitments of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go, but I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Okay, so I've just moved these back onto the barbecue. It's quite shady here at the moment, so I think it's an ideal place for me to just water them and leave them to get a bit more life back in them again.
Now I found my true home, but I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
Walk it back down to the garden where I had the tomato plants when I first transplanted them. There we go, so I just rested them on the little strawberry doodah. That's in there now, just getting a little bit bigger. So this is like my little nursery, my little plant nursery. And these, so let's see how they go now, shall we? I'm gonna pop these two in here because they need just a little bit more starting off. Give these a good water. And this one. Oh, I ordered like one of the half nets like I've got in the kitchen for this bedroom, for the spare bedroom, and it's arrived from Amazon today, so I'm gonna pop it up. I'll just hopefully position you so you can sort of see what I'm doing. So first I'm going to move everything off the windowsill, my orchids. Hoping it's not too dark. First thing I'm going to do is, this is my new glass cleaning cloth that I got from, I can't remember, either Tesco's, Asda or Sainsbury's. One of those. So apparently you don't have to use any product.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
I know it takes me time to do anything because of this broken arm. Oh Lord have mercy. This morning I've already been out in the gardens. First thing I did actually, I had a coffee in bed, then got up, went straight outside and did some weeding in the back garden. So I've been meaning to do it for a few days, but it's just been too hot. So yeah, I've done it. Did all that this morning. That's a good result. This is very pretty. Didn't cost a lot. I think it was about maybe £9, something like that. And we already had the curtain pole, so I didn't have to buy another one of those. I'm doing that by accident. As a rule, I don't like net curtains, but sometimes there is a place for them. And I just feel it would just make it look a little bit more private in here. And it's not a full net anyway. Okay, now I've got to try and get it back up again. To the right height as well. Let's go that side first. Hopefully that's not too dark for you there. Is it? Yeah, that feels nice and secure. And I want it so that it's just literally off the windowsill, but you can't see that there's a gap between the curtain and the window, which you can't. And I went for, what did I go for? I think I went for double the width, which is what I tend to go for. Because then you get a nice sort of, you know, fullness. Actually looks so pretty. Really like it. What do you think then, guys? Let me show you. It's blowing in the wind a little bit there. That makes it look a bit distorted, but you see what I mean, right? It's like a lot more private.
Future is bright.
So I got my Mother's Day present, belated, although Holly has had this since before Mother's Day to give it to me on Mother's Day, but obviously because of everything that's going on, until today I haven't been able to have it. So in true style of me, I keep all the ribbons for more crafting. So it's got this black ribbon that go in my crafting stash, and this is the pomegranate gift set. And it's a single wick candle and a reed diffuser. So let's pop this out.
Oh, well, you know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
It's so nice. It's quite spicy actually. Very fresh, very spicy. I really love it. I'm actually going to go and light it in a minute. So I need to set up the reed diffuser now. This video here. If you have enjoyed this vlog, please give me a nice big thumbs up. I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more of my videos, to press that notification bell, and then you will know when I've done all my new uploads. I have also just done a crafting video. You can see a few little bits left on the table over there. Look out for that video. It's coming very, very soon. Bye my lovelies, stay safe.